Hello my friends and welcome back to the Goofy Basher channel. So today I'm going to talk about challenges. So let's roll that intro and let's get this shit going. What is up, bro? So there's been a number of challenges going around. You got the Chopper Fett challenge. You got the Bikes, Beards, and Brews challenge. You have Larry 68 HD's challenge. And you have John Diehard McLean's challenge. So the only one I probably won't do is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. No offense, Ben, but I'm not that artistic. So today I'm going to jump into Chopper Fett's challenge. And Chopper Fett's challenge is to showcase one of your local roads that is your go-to road. So that for me, this is the road I ride all the time, is right there, Junction 29. So from Phoenixville to Malvern, it's about 4 miles, or Great Valley, whatever you want to call it. It's about 4 miles, and this is a road I've actually had in some videos before, but this is a road I'd like to ride. It used to be in better shape, you know, when I started riding this road. So yeah, we're just gonna ride this road right here, 29. So we come into a right-hander right here. Down into a left-hander. Now this area here will flood the water. I've seen it up in here from over there, all the way up in here. It's been pretty bad at times. Hello, geese. You got an old railroad bridge up there. I don't think that's in use anymore. If it is, I wouldn't trust a train up there. When you come up along here, ooh, run a little, hit that fast enough. I think you might be able to get some air. But we're not going to hit that fast enough. So it's a whole lot better when these trees are filled out. You can't really see all the shit in there. Like, there's a lot of down branches, trees, everything in that area. So this is Pickering Creek, crossover Pickering Creek. You come down in here. You got a little bit of a right turn here, a right curve here. You come up through here and it's a little bit of a left curve. Then you got a 30-mile-an-hour curve. And then coming up here, you got a 1-lane bridge, which, yeah, you're supposed to be courteous to other people, and it's supposed to be back and forth, one. But a lot of people don't do that because they're assholes. And you come into another right-hand curve, shoot out of that one. Twisty sign. Now here's where the road starts to get a little bit need to be repaved type of deal. It starts to get a little shitty right up in here. So you really want you really want to watch your speed down through here. And then once you come out, and that's pretty much the road. You come up here and you start to get into Great Valley Industrial Park, or Great Valley Business Park, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to turn around up here and we're going to ride back the other way, since it's really not that long of a ride. So we're going to do it in reverse. As soon as I find a place to turn around at, we'll do that. Now there's a quarry over here, so you really got to watch gravel. There tends to be a lot of gravel in this area, so you really want to watch yourself. So I guess we'll turn around right here. Watch this gravel. These are some new homes. Bring my drone out here and fly it over there, see what it looks like, just out of curiosity. So as we come back, pretty much the same thing. What you really do have to watch for around here is, especially at night, it is extremely dark back here. There are no lights whatsoever, except for, you know, the occasional house back in here. But yeah, it's dark and there's animals. You really have to watch for the wildlife back here, because yeah, it'll fuck you up, like, pretty bad. So we're coming back into the turns here. And again, I say this is the area of the road that is really kind of shitty. When I first started riding this road many years ago, it was nice, it was smooth. They really need to repave this road. We come back down. And there used to be a nature center back there, Great Valley Nature Center. Right there was the driveway. I'm assuming they closed years ago. I don't even remember, to be honest with you. I didn't hear anything about it. So here we go with the one-lane bridge again. So I'm gonna slow down and let this guy go, like I should. Thank you. And then we're gonna hit it. That's gotta suck to like live right on this road. I don't know if I could do that. And right here you can start throttling in a little bit, gain a little bit. But you gotta watch sometimes. Sometimes there is shit on the road, there's gravel or water, and you know, so you gotta watch yourself. Yeah, I know somebody who had an accident down in here. They hit ice and they wiped out. I think that was in a rental car, so they got lucky. It wasn't their vehicle. And people, I think people actually do fishing in the creek. Like, I wouldn't eat any of that food, any of that fish. But hopefully they do it just for sport and not to actually eat. Then you come back here and you see all the dead, fallen debris, trees, and all that shit in the creek over there. Oh, wow. I actually never noticed that building before. Interesting. And you come back up here. That's one of them little whoop-de-hills that your stomach jumps up. Whoop-de-doo. There's the old railroad bridge. And you ride down through here. You can gain a little speed. So yeah, this is like, especially when this road is they repave this road, if they repave this road in the near future, this road is going to be awesome. And I would really like to see them repave it, so I can have more of a good time back in here, running through here. So yeah, that's my local road. That is one of my go-to roads. Short, you get some curves in there, and you have a good time. You can get your speed up a little bit. I guess you should watch for, you know, cops and everything, but, you know. Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next time. So stay safe. Love one another.